Rolling out OEE isn't just about the technology, it's about the culture. Many implementations fail because they don't engage the people on the floor. In this video, we'll cover how to introduce OEE effectively to ensure real adoption. OEE can fail if it feels like surveillance. If operators perceive the system as a way to watch them, they will resist it. True improvement only happens when the people on the line trust the data and take ownership of it. Remember, adoption is more important than perfect accuracy on day one. To ensure your rollout sticks, follow these 3 steps. First, start on one line to prove value. Second, make it theirs by ensuring operators can see their own wins. Third, act fast by visibly closing the first losses identified by the system. Small wins are essential to building belief. When you demonstrate a real, tangible gain on a single line, you build momentum. A focused pilot program can turn skeptics into project champions and provides the necessary proof to expand throughout your facility. Always remember, pilot first, then scale on evidence. The results speak for themselves. At Hutchinson, focusing on where the value is clearest helped one line improve their OEE from 47% to 72%. Proof beats theory every time. Prove it on one line first, and then scale your success. Start where you see the fastest payback. We recommend beginning with a 60-day guided pilot on one line to gather your initial evidence. Check the link in the description to book your pilot and subscribe for our weekly factory performance breakdowns.